Welcome! In front of me is Realme GT 7T, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device doesn't recognize your screen pattern. In this case, if you can't access your device using fingerprint lock or face unlock feature, then the best solution for you will be to remember the password, the pattern that you used the last time. Just take your time, maybe give it a couple of tries, and maybe some will work for you. But if it didn't and you really can't remember the password, then the other best solution would be to reach out to Realme Customer Support service, and in case you can provide them with proof of the ownership of this phone, then they will most likely help you recover the access without the need to remove all personal data and information and files stored on your device. Now, while if you can't use this option either, then the other solution for you would be to perform a factory reset. Now you can do this remotely using Find My Device feature if you have it enabled on your phone. So basically, if you haven't disabled on your phone, and if you have a Google account connected to your device, then it should be automatically enabled. In this case, you'll be able to access your phone using your Google account remotely from your other device, like laptop, tablets, PC, or just another phone, and erase all data from your phone remotely. Now, if you don't have this option enabled, then the other solution would be to erase all data using the recovery mode on your phone. Now, to do this, you'll have to go through some quick steps, and if you want to know more about it, or you want to know how to do it specifically on your phone, then you can check out the full video on our channel explaining how to do this step by step. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check it out. And for me, I think these were all the solutions that I could provide you with. And if it helped you, let us know in the comments. If you like this video, leave us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.